Okay, so in this program, we're going to work with a little bit of color, and I also want to continue talking about manipulating your output with a print statement. So basically what I have are the predefined color constants. I have pasted these into the program. You're never going to have to type these from scratch. I'll provide them in our Canvas shell. So let's see here, if I go to somewhere at the top here with the modules, so I'll keep these here all semester. So we have adding color, and then really all you have to do is select this chunk of code here and copy it and then paste it into the top of your online GDB program like I've done here, or your Python program in general. So once these are in there, we can just call upon the color name that we want to change the color. So we know that the default is, I'll just put some garbage in there. The default color at the console, the little output window, that's also called the console, that's white, all right? So what if I wanted to say welcome to Moraine Valley in Moraine Valley green? Okay, all I have to do is turn on the green. I like the bold color. It'll bold your text. You don't have to do that, but it just makes the colors a little more vibrant. And these colors are a little disappointing, I think I should say. You're not, well, I'll run it, I'll show you. So I turn it on. Now the color is set to bold green. And this is like a light switch. You turn it on and it stays on until you turn it off, or a toggle, we would say in computing. So now the output is green, and it's going to stay green in this program until I change it to something else. So basically we have, see, that's not a true green, but it's close enough. So we have welcome to Moraine Valley, home of the Cyclones, and any other that, if I just keep going and printing stuff, it's still going to be green until I change it. Okay, there's another, there's a reset, I think. Let me see if that's, yeah, up at the top. If you just do a reset, that would reset the color scheme back to the default, which is white and not bold white either. Let's see, I'm back to white. Okay, so let's talk about printing some more and a little bit more about output manipulation. So let's say it was 4th of July, and I wanted to print Happy Independence Day in red, white, and blue. Okay, so, okay, why don't we make the happy part red? I'm going to make that bold red. Okay, and now I'm going to add white. I'm going to set the color to bold white for the word independence. Okay, and then we're going to put bold blue for day. Okay, Happy Independence Day. Let's run that and see what we get. Okay. All right. Here's the thing. We had mentioned in the last video that the print statement comes with an implicit line feed. All right. So what we have to do is, I want it to say Happy Independence Day, like all on the same line. All right. So what we can do is override that line feed, and I'll show you how. So, and we've got a lot of print statements here. So we're going to have to do this for all of them. So here's what you do. If you want to override that line feed, you're going to put a comma there, and you're going to say end equals, and then you're going to put like nothing in quotes. That's called a null string. Okay, like a nothing string. And so that overrides the line feed. You're saying don't end with a line feed, end with this instead, end with basically nothing. And that's going to override that. So I'm going to add that to all of these. Comma. There we go. Okay, I think I could probably get away with not doing it on the last one. Okay, so much better. Okay, so that's how you can override that line feed if you don't want it. We had to do it in this case because of the color thing that we were doing, and, you know, just wanting to get that all on the same line. So, yeah, there you have it.